'cause I feel so good to be alive.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. And since I am starting hygiene school in the fall, it would only be right for me to review a toothbrush. So I was sent a toothbrush by the name of Brio, and it's a SmartClean Premium Sonic Toothbrush. I've been using the toothbrush for about a week, and I enjoy it. I really like how it operates. Whenever I am using this toothbrush, it feels like I am leaving my dentist office. Like, my teeth feel super clean, and honestly I really do prefer electric toothbrush as opposed to like the regular manual toothbrush. I feel like electric toothbrush just clean your teeth a little bit better, so I prefer to invest my money in a good quality toothbrush, and this toothbrush is a very good quality toothbrush as it is a premium sonic toothbrush. So premium in the name just lets you know it is a good quality toothbrush. So this company goes by the name of Brio, and they have a ton of different products not necessarily pertaining to hygiene. So they have beard trimmers, they have products for your skin and nails, they have whitening kits, and they're just the overall good company. They appear to be a small company, which I like, because honestly I prefer a small company over a larger company, because I feel like they invest their time into their products and into their customers. They really will hear out the voices of the customer. The customer service is overall great. This toothbrush on this website is 5 stars, and you can't beat that. They have 55 reviews on this toothbrush, and all of them are mainly 5 stars. Okay, so we're gonna get into the specs of this toothbrush. The SmartClean Sonic Toothbrush retails for $69.95, and I know you guys are probably like, it seems a little expensive, but I don't think it's expensive for a quality toothbrush. I mean, I got my toothbrush off of Amazon. My current toothbrush that I've been using before the SmartClean toothbrush, my original toothbrush retailed for about $40, and it came with about like 6 or 7 replacement heads. With the Brio SmartClean, you get 3 replacement heads. So the first replacement head is just your standard everyday toothbrush head, and here it says under SmartClean, our original brush heads and a favorite for many customers. The SmartClean brush heads are a medium size with bristles that are strong enough to clean your teeth while still being gentle on your gums. The next one is Pro Clean, and the Pro Clean brush heads are equipped with dew point antibacterial bristles, which help to eliminate bacteria in your mouth while you brush. This is our smallest brush head, with much more concentrated bristle. Then you have the X Clean, and the Brio X Clean replacement brush heads are one of the largest brush heads available for a sonic toothbrush. The largest size and crisscross pattern of the bristles leave your mouth and gums with a deep clean. So all of the brush heads seem to be good quality, but honestly I prefer the original the original everyday toothbrush head. It gets my teeth clean really well. The brush head is way bigger compared to my original toothbrush. Yeah, the brush head is way bigger compared to my original toothbrush. So this is my original toothbrush, and it's just way bigger. Like, I feel like this one like really gets to my teeth, clean it very well. And also with the brush heads, you can buy additional replacement heads on their website for about $12.95. They do have a subscription program for the brush heads, the replacement brush heads, and you have that option to subscribe with 15% off, and they'll send them every 30 days. So with the 15% off, it'll come out to be $11.03 plus tax, and I feel like that's a good bargain. Every 3 months, just $11 isn't bad. It is recommended when you first get the toothbrush to charge your toothbrush within the first 24 hours. It takes a full day to charge the toothbrush, and the battery life lasts up to 6 weeks, which is great. You can literally go a month and then some without charging your toothbrush, which is really great because you don't want to have to charge your toothbrush every day or every week. Also, with this toothbrush, it comes with a 30-second timer to let you know when to switch zones in your mouth. So you have your upper inside, your upper outside, your lower inside, and your lower outside, which is great, and that all adds up to be about 2 minutes. And when you do get this toothbrush, it's gonna take you a minute to adjust with the 30-second timer. It's a little hard for me to adjust with the time changes. It just takes time getting used to the timers and changing the zones in your mouth. This toothbrush is really great for those who do have braces, but you do want to keep in mind that you may want to be a little gentler as opposed to if you did not have braces. But I know when I have braces, I prefer an electric toothbrush because I knew that with the electric toothbrush that it really got down in my brackets and cleaned some of that nastiness. So with the Brio SmartClean Toothbrush, there's about 5 different modes to accommodate for your oral need. For the first mode is your general clean mode, which is for your everyday cleaning. You have your white mode, which is for you to clean and polish your teeth for just a whiter smile. And then you have polish mode, which is a little bit more powerful for your, for your more experienced Sonic users. Then you have massage mode, which is just used to just stimulate your gums. Then you have sensitive mode, which is perfect for those who are just new to the toothbrush or just new to, electric toothbrush, and also for those who have a little bit more sensitive teeth and gums. Overall, you guys, I absolutely love this toothbrush. I love me a good toothbrush, and I've always been in love with toothbrush, honestly. Well, I've always been in love with toothbrushes, specifically electric toothbrush. I don't know, I just feel like they make brushing your teeth way more fun, and your teeth always feel super polished after using them. But I know with this toothbrush is absolutely amazing, and it feels exactly as if you were leaving your 6-month checkup from the dentist office. Your teeth feel way more clean. It gets a majority of that gunk and stuff in your teeth, the buildup, some of that. I know like food gets stuck in the back, so it gets a majority of that food from back there. Also with floss, and they do have floss on their website if you guys were interested. It's about $1.95, which isn't bad for like a good quality floss. But yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, or you're not somewhat interested in buying this toothbrush. But also, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video. I start dental hygiene school next week, so be out on the lookout for my first vlog back to school. And yeah, see you guys next time.